Gentlemen, how you doing? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I've got 3 giveaways, 2 promo codes, 1 big tip, and a partridge in a pear tree. That's right, Artiest Man has given me some sweet swag. They gave me some promo codes to give you guys, and I want to give you guys 1 big tip about the Artiest Man beard conditioner that can really help you guys out. So in numerical order, let's start with the beard conditioner, okay? The first tip with the beard conditioner is apply daily to every other day. It's up to you if you want to co-wash as little or as much as you want. With conditioner, I think it alleviates so many things, okay? That dry, crackly beard, it moisturizes the skin, and it creates a nice flexible hair to your beard. So just like hair shampoo and conditioner, if you go in the shower and you don't apply any shampoo or conditioner, you get out of the shower, your hair is still gonna feel brittle and dry. And it's the same with our beard. So definitely use as much conditioner as you want. I like to use about a dime or nickel size amount. I like to scrub it into my skin and my beard. That way I get all surface areas of the hair. Okay, number 2, the promo codes. Artiest Man is doing a big discount on conditioners. That's why we're talking about it today. Now, Artiest Man is doing a big discount promo code for you guys, 25% off the big bottle of beard conditioner. Use that promo code SCOTT25, okay? Now here's where the 2-part promo code combo comes in. Not only can you get 10% off your first time over at Artiest Man just using Scott, apply that 25, Scott25, that way you got the 25% off the beard conditioner and then you can get 10% off your first purchase. So boom, 2 promo codes, bam, bam. And number 3 is gonna be giveaways. I've got 3 giveaways for you guys. We're gonna be doing a live stream this Saturday, probably around 6 to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I've got bombs, I've got oils, and possibly gonna have some conditioners I'm gonna give away to you. So definitely go down into the link into the description. I've got a link to Artiest, I've got a link to the promo codes, and I've got a link to all my social media. That way you can follow me on Twitch, Instagram. We can follow those giveaways. So definitely make sure to try and switch up your game. Use some beard shampoo, use some beard conditioner. It'll really elevate that beard. It'll make it nice, soft, malleable, stretchable, so you can apply more beard product, all right? So like always, you guys, like, subscribe, follow me on all that social media. Love you guys like always. I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!